sir.
Take a seat.
May I have to take a seat?
A seat. I am telling you, that's a lawful order. Get in my car now.
Okay, officer, you just said that.
Get in. Get in. Because I'm not going to stand out here.
I am obeying your orders.
I'm not going to stand out here and babysit you. It's cold and I'm not letting you back up in the car because I'm going to have to turn it off because I'm going to take the keys if I leave you up there because I don't trust you in the car.
On December 28, 2020, Officer Josh Hill of the Osseo Police Department in Wisconsin stopped David for erratic driving. This would become his 6th OWI conviction with a blood alcohol level of 0.214, nearly 3 times the legal limit.
No, I'm just trying to get home that way.
Okay. How much did you have to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
Where are you coming from?
Osseo. Oh, Osseo.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So you're coming from Jackson County?
Yeah.
I'm on with David. Is this your vehicle?
Yep.
Alright. You got any insurance?
Yeah.
Mm. 77, Coney, copy at 27. Last name. First name David, common. Middle. Yeah, we got a call about you and you're driving.
Why?
Yeah. Apparently it wasn't so good. That's your registration. This is probably your registration. It's from the DOT. This is your handicap placard. Do you have insurance?
Yeah.
How much did you actually have to drink, man?
Nothing. Insurance.
This is your insurance?
I think.
These are registration. Alright, David. I know this isn't your first time. So honesty goes a little bit further than lying to me. Good. Ten four. So where were you drinking at?
Not.
What?
Sir, I'm not drinking.
No, where were you drinking?
I wasn't.
Why'd you step out of the car? Let's come back here. Come on, let's step in front of my car. You okay?
Yeah.
You're a little wobbly there.
I've spent 36 hours up all night.
Alright.
I'm tired.
Okay. What were you doing for 36 hours?
Driving Amish people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why were you driving 36 hours? It's a long time.
Because Amish people think that they own me.
Sure. You at least get some good money from that?
60 cents a mile.
That's it? They don't give you any
No.
20 bucks up front, say here, then pay mileage, nothing?
No.
Oh?
They think 60 cents a mile. Oh, you charge me that much money?
Yeah. You got any weapons or anything on you? Mind if I pat you down? Alright, appreciate it, man. So there's a deputy that's going to be coming on up here.
Okay.
I can guarantee he's probably going to run you through field sobriety tests. Because I think you've been drinking.
Okay.
So that's why. I know this ain't your first rodeo. Between your driving behavior is what was called in, and where we're at and what I'm seeing. Okay?
Sir.
So how much have you actually had to drink?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
I can smell it on you.
I just want to go home. That's all I want to do.
David, right?
Sir.
I can smell it on you. So we're past all that, alright? I can smell it on you. You can't trick that.
Sir.
You can lie as much as you want, but you can't lie about your odor. Alright?
Sir.
Right?
Yes.
So how much did you actually have to drink?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, we'll just hang tight then. Alright?
Okay.
All we do is we'll step back here. You got your phone on you? Or what? Just an MP3 player?
Yep.
Where's that at? Down there?
No, right here.
Well, I know. Is that just in a shirt pocket or what? You can keep it. I don't care. I just want to know where, if that's there, what else you got. That's all.
Both my parents are retired Phoenix police officers.
Yep.
Believe me,
We'll step back here.
you guys are the most... I respect you guys.
I appreciate that. Let's step back here. We'll have you take a seat in the back of my car until the deputy gets here. You're okay. You're okay. I'm not cuffing you. Hey, I just want you to take a seat. Okay?
No,
Take a seat.
I'm not, sir.
Take a seat.
May I have to take a seat?
A seat. I am
Do I
telling
have
you,
to?
that's a lawful order. Get in my car now.
Okay, officer, you just said that.
Get in. Get in. 'Cause I'm not going to stand out
I
here.
am obeying your orders.
I'm not going to stand out here and babysit you. It's cold and I'm not letting you back up in the car because I'm going to have to turn it off because I'm going to take the keys if I leave you up there because I don't trust you in the car. Okay?
Have I done anything wrong?
You're suspected of operating while intoxicated. So yes, at this point, between the traffic violation, you're being detained right now simply because it's a traffic stop. The lights are on. You're detained as soon as the lights come on. Like I said, I do not trust you up in the vehicle. And it's cold out, so I don't want to take the keys from you and have you sit up there. And I'm definitely, when I think that you're under the influence, going to leave you up in the car with the keys. Because that's not smart. Process of elimination, you're going to have a seat in my car. Okay?
Thank you, officer.
And that's why I didn't cuff you. You're not under arrest. I just need you in a safe place, off the road, where it's warmer. Because it's cold. Alright? So,
May I get out?
no, not yet. We'll still hang tight. The deputy's coming. There's one from Trempealeau and there's another one from Jackson. So, alright. Are you even going to be willing to do field sobriety tests if they ask you? Or are you going to tell them to pound sand?
I've done nothing wrong. The only thing I want to do is go home.
Okay.
That's all I want to do.
I get that. But are you even going to do field sobriety tests if they ask you? I'm just curious.
If I say no, you're going to detain me. If I say yes, you will let me go, right?
No, that's not how that works, because you can still fail field sobriety tests.
The only thing I want to do is go home. I'm not drunk. I just want to go home.
I get that.
Yes, I have disabilities on me. I've had 13 surgeries in 2.5 years. Half my body is really messed up.
Okay. Well, I figured I'd just ask and let you know what's up.
Sir, I realize that. So. Believe me, I understand what you're saying. You guys are the best people in the world.
Well, I appreciate that.
Because you guys are law enforcement.
So, alright, well, I'll close the door because it's cold.
Sir, may I get out to use the restroom?
Use the restroom? There's no restroom out here.
I know. If I go to the restroom and there's nobody present, and
You just gotta go number one?
yes, May I pee, please?
Tell you what, it's better than in my car. If you hop on out, you're gonna have to take a seat again because it's cold.
Oh, he is really upset.
Yeah, she doesn't like anybody on the other side. It's just because she can't see them. So, stand right on over here. Hey.
Right down there.
All right. All right, David. Let's go on back. We'll take a seat in the back of my car again.
Zip up. Sir?
Yeah?
Am I going to jail?
I have no idea.
Have I done anything wrong?
There's a couple steps that we have to go through first. One would be ideally field sobriety.
I'm not going to do that.
You're not? No? All right.
I've done nothing wrong.
Let's go back to my squad car. Let's take a seat again.
I know.
Come on.
I know if I don't do the field sobriety test, guess what? That is a major no.
Sure.
We'll go over there.
Come here, David.
Guys,
We're gonna go over here.
When you don't walk where I tell you to, and I've told you a few times to step over here and take a seat. I'll let you get out, go to the bathroom, so just take a seat. Just chill out, David.
There you go. Sit down.
There. There you go. Thank you, David. So I can smell it on him. Everything else, I asked him for his, he gave me his ID, asked him for his insurance. He gave me his, like, 6 different copies of registration, 2 different separate times. Obviously, just how he's acting. All right, David. You already said that you weren't going to do field sobrieties, right? No? Yes? There you go. Just stand here with him.
The officer retrieves a breathalyzer for a preliminary breath test.
not going to be anything that is aggressive towards you guys. So
I appreciate
Perfect.
that.
Yeah, you said you had family at Phoenix PD?
yeah.
Cool, cool. So you said you didn't want to do field sobriety tests, right?
No, I don't want to.
Okay. And you're not going to?
No.
I'm asking you.
Yeah,
All right.
it's not going to. Guess what? That is also considered guilty. Right?
Not necessarily. There's a whole court process. Otherwise, we would be judge, jury, executioner out here, right? So here's a PBT.
No.
No? Nothing? Not even gonna give it a chance? Alright. Fair enough. Well, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Can I lock up my car?
I'll take care of that. I'll go get the keys. Do you want the keys?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else inside the vehicle you need?
My stuff?
Well, it's all your stuff. You got a wallet or what?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
In my car.
You got somebody that can come remove it?
10-4-730.
Can we get it off the side of the road?
Not with the weather coming in.
There isn't much side of a road here.
Yeah.
As far off as you can get.
So do you have a local person to come get it, or the lot can come and get it?
Can we step out that way? I'm not going to be any
For what?
aggressive towards you guys. I just want to step out that way so I can see my car. Is
No,
that
I've given you your
Yeah,
options.
no.
Yeah,
Your
I just
options
want to
are-
step that way.
No.
Come here, David. We're gonna step this way and take a seat. I'm gonna get a towing route because you're not being cooperative with me anymore, and we're
No,
done.
sir. No,
Let's
no,
go.
that's just it. I just
Let's
want
go.
to see if it's off the road.
It is not off
It's
the road.
not, and you can't legally park there. It's snowing out. We don't need somebody to come and hit it, and then you're liable. So let's take a seat.
Okay, can I call somebody?
Do you have a phone in your car? Let's take a seat.
Can I call my father?
No, we're gonna get the loft, and we're done.
Go ahead and have a
Take
seat.
a seat. A little bit of weed, so we're good.
Okay. Right off the bat, he's got like 25 SD cards.
He does have. He has an MP3 player on him. He's got this, so I mean, it could be.
those will fit in there.
as something as simple as that. You want to write him a ticket for the weed at all? I wouldn't for this, but. What's going on, David?
Can we make a phone call?
Yeah, do you even have a phone? I didn't find one up there.
If you have a phone, we can make a phone call. Guaranteed. One thing.
What's that?
You could shoot me before he does.
What are you talking about?
My dad, he's an ex-Mimms police officer.
Then-
I'm going to give him a call and say, Dad, come please pick me up. And guess what? He's going to be really mad at me.
Well, then why would we call him if he's just going to be mad at you?
Because he's my father, and I
Yeah.
love him, and he loves me.
Alright. Well, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, found my CBD.
Is that CBD?
No.
You sure it's not weed?
CBD.
Alright. Yeah, we found your open intox up there too.
7-1.
And you just want to give your dad a call and tell him what's going on?
Well, that's my dad's number. He can come out here and he will get at me like you would not believe.
We're beyond that.
Oh,
So, just hang tight. Hang
What have
tight.
I done? What have I done wrong?
You're operating while intoxicated.
Can you give him a call and have him come out here?
We don't need him out here.
Okay.
Alright? So, how about this? I know it's cramped, it's small. You haven't tried to fight me, kill me, stab me. So, what we'll do is, I'm going to undo
No,
your...
actually, your dog right here, he's really being a butthead to me.
She's just barking because she
Yeah,
knows
I
somebody's
know.
here, but she can't see. So what I'm trying to do is, if you can tilt
Yeah,
just
I
a
know.
little bit more, I'll undo the handcuffs, and I'm going to handcuff you up front, okay?
Believe me, you guys have nothing to fear from me because... Bring my hand forward.
Yep, bring it around. Bring this one just in front of you, right up here. I'm going to loosen it up and wrap the handcuff around. No, just give me this one. Just give me this one right now. There you go. There.
Oh, can I be a butthead for a second? Wait. I'm sorry, I
good?
didn't do that.
You good? Yeah, I don't really find it funny.
Yeah. No, nobody does.
Alright, there you go. See a little better?
Thank you.
Alright.
May I have a cigarette?
And just, I can help you out, but just in a bit. I gotta do some really boring paperwork. Once I get that done, I'll try to throw you a bone and let you
Sir,
smoke
I've
a cigarette,
done
alright?
nothing wrong. See, I've been nothing.
Yep.
I've nothing.
Can you do me a favor? Can you get that on over and seatbelt it?
You guys are taking me up.
You're under arrest. It's too late.
Can I call my father, please?
We can, but that's not going to help us in the situation right now. I'll let you call him later if that's what you really
We're going to
want.
Arcadia.
We'll be going down to Whitehall. Are you able to get it? I know the seatbelt, the buckle,
wait.
the buckle lays down a little bit.
Wait. Yes.
You got it? Perfect.
Yes.
Just for the off chance that somebody else comes around and
Oh,
grab it. There you go. Get your arm under it. There you go. Just hang tight. I'm going to do some paperwork, okay? All right, David. I do have a search warrant signed by a court commissioner. We are going to take a blood draw.
No, you're not.
Shoes, because we're going to get it.
We absolutely are taking it, David.
I'm just giving you a heads up and to be decent with the people that are going to take it.
Officers, I do not want my blood taken.
Yep.
I get
We
that,
understand that.
but we're going to. So,
And basically, from this point forward, if you don't...
Wait, well, no, it's just my glasses
sure.
are fogging up.
Hold it down a little. From this point forward, if you don't comply with it, basically, you're just gonna catch more and more and more charges. So,
Guys, believe me, I'm not being uncooperative.
no, but we're telling you what's going
Believe
on.
me, one thing, you guys...
Let's have them come here in one of these exam rooms, because I feel like we're gonna have some issues.
Oh, no, you're not, guys.
Well, you already
Come
said no.
on.
So my anticipation is already that we're gonna have to hold you down. All right, and I will. We're gonna sit on you, and we're gonna have your arm out, and we're gonna draw your blood. We are going to get it, and we're gonna win. Okay?
Well, just a
Blood draw, but he's probably gonna be uncooperative. Can we use one of the exam rooms instead and have him come down here?
I'm not going to be uncooperative. Okay, I'm just saying I do not want my blood drawn.
Yep.
If you want to draw my blood, you can draw it, but I'm not going to be uncooperative. Is that okay?
Yep.
As a matter of fact, I could actually sit there and put the needle in my own arm.
Well, we don't need to go that far.
Too much.
Can I put this back into my pocket?
Yep.
Or can you put it back into my pocket? Right?
There you go. See, let's have you take a seat there.
I'm not being an to you guys.
No,
believe
but
me.
no, you've been very decent, David. You have.
No.
But when
You
somebody,
guys have one
Yeah.
job.
yeah, I appreciate that. But
And,
when I tell you
believe
that,
me,
hey, David, just let me tell you, because when I tell everybody when we come in, is there going to be issues? Because it's not their problem that you're here.
Oh, I know.
They got to do their job. But when you say no, that we're not going to get your blood, it goes south. All right. So what I'm going to do, is there an arm that you prefer to have your blood drawn from?
Oh, yes, the right arm.
Right arm?
All
All right.
Yeah, the better veins in this
in the meantime,
arm than
what we're
this
gonna do
arm.
this is Jim. I'm gonna undo one of your handcuffs, that
We'll
one,
take your coat
and then
off.
we'll take your coat off on that side, so that way you're ready.
Okay. I will not fight you. I will not be any kind of
I appreciate that.
objective to you guys because you guys have
So you were
a-
just saying that you didn't want to give blood. That was it?
Exactly.
All right.
No, I'm saying one thing. I object to what you guys are doing to
Okay.
me, but I'm not going to fight you guys.
That's
How's
fair.
that?
Yeah, can you get that sleeve off? It's probably easier for you to
Oh,
get that
how's
off
this?
than it is for me.
How's this?
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
See right there, dude. Pull. Pull.
Come on, Jim, help.
You're a man. Pull it, dude.
There you go.
Pull. For God's sake, man, pull.
There. Are you able to get your sleeve far enough up? There you go.
Oh, yes, I'm making. Oh, that's it. I'm doing it now.
There you
Okay. Lint.
Yeah, do you know
Ha!
donate blood or anything? You got a pretty good vein there. Should be pretty easy.
Well, yeah, that's why I said this one right
Okay.
here.
Oh yeah, that's
There you go.
Pro vein.
Yeah, but I'm objecting to it, so I'm not cooperating. So, I'm fighting. There.
Great. You got it out.
Okay, so is this objective? Oh, one thing. I need to know. Classal Night 6, are those illegal in Wisconsin?
Well, you have 5 OWIs?
It does not matter.
It does. It does. I'm going to tell you why. Are you a convicted felon?
Oh, most definitely.
Okay. Well, if you conceal it in any way, you could purchase it conceivably, but if you conceal it in any way, then it could be considered a concealed weapon.
Okay, it's not going to
For
be
what's that, a
concealed.
knife?
For a collapsible baton.
Oh.
Right there.
Well, what are you convicted felon for? Because it has to be certain crimes. It's all dangerous ones.
Okay, let's put it this way. All allegations of dangerousness were
What was the alleged? Well, what did you get convicted of?
Your 5th offense OWI, anything else?
armed robbery.
Okay, so
That'll
there
be
you go.
perfect.
That
No,
will do.
all allegations of dangerousness were taken
I
out of
looked
it, so
closer
it's
at that. I was bored like a weekend or
non-competitive.
two ago, and there's specific ones. It's a lot of the 940s, dangerous crimes. It's not like if you
It's-
committed a felony voter fraud or something weird or a felony OWI, those don't count.
Well, there you go.
Well,
Hey.
see, the thing is I committed a dangerous crime, but
So this is David.
The traffic stop was initiated based on a citizen report of dangerous driving behavior. Under Terry v. Ohio from 1968, reasonable suspicion requires specific and articulable facts, not merely a hunch. The citizen report provided that legal foundation. When Officer Hill ordered David from the vehicle, he relied on Pennsylvania v. Mimms from 1977, which established that officers conducting lawful traffic stops may order drivers to exit for officer safety purposes without additional reasonable suspicion. David repeatedly denied drinking, despite the officer detecting alcohol odor. Under Wisconsin statute section 346.63, officers develop probable cause through the totality of circumstances: driving behavior, physical appearance, odor, and demeanor. The critical moment came when David refused the lawful order to sit in the patrol car. This 7-minute standoff illustrated the tension between individual rights and legal obligations during investigative detention. Officer Hill demonstrated proper de-escalation by waiting for backup rather than immediately using force. Under Graham v. Connor from 1989, force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at that moment. David invoked his right to counsel, protected by the Sixth Amendment. However, this right does not mean immediate attorney access during field investigation. The officer correctly explained that David could contact a lawyer, but must first comply with lawful orders. Field sobriety testing followed standardized protocols from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The 3 tests, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand, have scientific validation when properly administered. After arrest, Wisconsin's implied consent law became central. Under Section 343.305, operating a vehicle on public roads constitutes deemed consent to chemical testing when arrested for OWI. This is not a Fourth Amendment violation because driving is a privilege, not a right. At the hospital, officers read the Informing the Accused form, a critical statutory requirement. The Supreme Court addressed blood draws in Birchfield v. North Dakota from 2016, holding that blood tests generally require warrants unless there is informed consent or exigent circumstances. David created legal ambiguity by verbally objecting while physically complying with the blood draw. Wisconsin law penalizes refusal to submit to testing, but courts differ on whether verbal refusal with physical compliance constitutes actual refusal under the statute. Under Wisconsin Section 343.3059, refusal results in automatic license revocation, 1 year for first refusal, 2 years for second, 3 years for third. Critically, the refusal itself becomes admissible evidence at trial as consciousness of guilt. The blood sample yielded a BAC of 0.214 grams per 100 milliliters. At this level, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration documents severe impairment, reduced motor control, compromised judgment, and decreased reaction time, creating substantial public danger. David was charged with OWI 5th or 6th offense under Wisconsin law, which classifies this as a Class H felony, punishable by up to 6 years in prison. The refusal to take test after arrest added separate penalties. Wisconsin's graduated penalty structure exists specifically for repeat offenders. 5th and 6th OWI convictions carry mandatory minimum sentences, reflecting legislative intent to remove dangerous, recidivist drunk drivers from roadways. David pled guilty and received 1 year initial confinement in Wisconsin State Prison, 2 years extended supervision, and lifetime driver's license revocation. The lifetime ban, while severe, addresses the reality that some individuals will not stop despite multiple interventions. In evaluating this encounter, Officer Josh Hill receives a grade of B+. He demonstrated professional conduct, proper legal procedure, and exceptional de-escalation during the standoff. His patience and tactical restraint are commendable. The officer articulated reasonable suspicion clearly, followed Miranda protocols, adhered to implied consent requirements, and documented David's contradictory statements effectively. His 7-minute de-escalation without force exemplifies modern policing standards. Minor deductions reflect opportunities for clearer communication about limited rights during investigative detention. Additional explanation of David's actual options might have encouraged earlier compliance and reduced confrontation. David receives a grade of F. This sixth OWI conviction with BAC nearly triple the legal limit demonstrates complete disregard for public safety and previous intervention opportunities. His repeated lies destroyed credibility. David refused lawful orders for 7 minutes, creating unnecessary confrontation. His verbal objection, while physically complying with blood testing, generated legal complexity without achieving any protective purpose. Most critically, despite 5 prior convictions and presumably multiple treatment opportunities, David consciously chose to drive while severely intoxicated. At 0.214, he posed immediate danger to every person sharing the roadway. The Osseo Police Department receives a grade of B. The body camera program provided transparency and complete evidentiary documentation. Department policies supporting backup before force and hospital blood draws ensured constitutional procedures. Officer Hill's conduct demonstrates adequate training in OWI detection, field sobriety testing, and implied consent law. The department's de-escalation emphasis was validated by the patient approach yielding compliance without injury. Areas for improvement include providing multilingual written implied consent materials and clearer protocols for ambiguous refusal scenarios. Overall, department policies supported constitutional arrest and proper evidence collection. 3 critical lessons emerge from this case. First, implied consent laws create unavoidable consequences. Refusing chemical testing adds automatic license revocation and provides prosecution with consciousness of guilt evidence. Neither verbal objection nor physical compliance changes this reality. Second, the right to counsel does not mean immediate attorney access during investigative detention. Officers may proceed with field testing and lawful detention while suspects await legal consultation. Understanding when constitutional rights actually apply prevents counterproductive confrontation. Third, graduated penalty structures reflect legislative determination that some offenders require permanent removal from driving privileges. 6 OWI convictions over multiple years demonstrate that lesser interventions failed. Lifetime revocation protects public safety when rehabilitation proves ineffective. From a law enforcement perspective, Officer Hill's de-escalation technique deserves emphasis. 7 minutes of verbal engagement, rather than immediate force application, respected individual dignity while maintaining legal authority. This approach reduces injury risk and strengthens case integrity. The ambiguous refusal scenario highlights training needs. When suspects verbally object while physically complying, officers should document exact statements and actions contemporaneously. Clear articulation that submission to testing negates refusal claims protects both legal outcomes and officer decision-making. This case illustrates why Wisconsin's implied consent framework withstands constitutional scrutiny. By conditioning driving privileges on testing consent, the state creates enforceable public safety standards without violating Fourth Amendment protections. Birchfield confirmed this approach's constitutionality. The blood alcohol level of 0.214 quantifies the danger David created. Research shows that at this concentration, crash risk increases exponentially. Reaction time doubles. Judgment deteriorates severely, and vehicle control becomes substantially impaired. David's lifetime license revocation serves both punitive and protective functions. After 6 convictions spanning years, The evidence conclusively demonstrates that temporary suspensions and treatment programs cannot ensure public safety. Permanent removal becomes necessary. For citizens encountering OWI investigations, the legal framework is clear. Driving creates deemed consent to testing. Refusal adds penalties without preventing evidence collection through warrant procedures. Honest cooperation with testing, while securing legal counsel for court proceedings, serves defendants' interests better than confrontational refusal. This encounter demonstrates professional law enforcement handling a repeat offender who posed immediate public danger. Officer Hill's patience, legal compliance, and tactical restraint exemplify the standards we should expect while holding all parties accountable to their respective legal obligations. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.